Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch the trailer of the season 5 of Peaky Blinders. I'm so excited about it. I just saw that it was out, so I'm gonna watch it and I'm gonna make a reaction video about it and put it on YouTube. If you don't know me, I'm making reaction videos. I'm French. I'm speaking English during my reaction videos, during the intro and the review of each one, but I'm French. I binge watched all of the seasons of Peaky Blinders and I put the reaction videos about all of the episodes on YouTube. If you are interested, I'm gonna put a link to the playlist where you can find all of those reaction videos. I'm really excited to see what is gonna happen during this trailer because this is the first time that I'm gonna watch the trailer of a season of Peaky Blinders. And if you don't know me, you have to know that I can be really emotional about the shows that I'm watching, and I can be really emotional about this family. I love them so much. I cried so much when... No, I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna talk about it. When John died, I cried so much. And I cried so much when I thought that Arthur was dead. I even took a 20-minute break during the episode 6 of the season 4 because I really thought that he was dead. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put a link, but really the part 1 was me crying, and the part 2 was me crying because I was wrong to think that he was really dead, and I was like, I hate you so much, but I love you so much. Really, it was all about that. I'm gonna put links if you want to see it. But yes, I really love this family. Polly has my heart, really. I love this woman so much. Even if during the last season, you know, she was like that, we were not so sure of her, but I trust her. I trust her with my life. I trust her and Ada with my life. I love this family, all of the members of this family so much. I don't want anything bad to happen to them. I don't want to lose any member of this family again. I will not handle that right, really. If they are doing anything to Finn, I think that is the end for me and Peaky Blinders. I love this boy so much. No, they're not gonna do anything to him. See, now I'm stressed. I'm stressed to watch this trailer. I was so excited about it just before beginning filming this, and now I'm stressed because are we gonna see... Yes, of course we're gonna see members of the family in pain, tortured, or in bad positions. Of course, this is a trailer, but please, during this season, I don't want any of them to die. This is my big and only wish for this season. All of them, they have to survive. But I know that they're gonna be in pain. I know that they're gonna be in bad positions. Maybe we're gonna have another time jump. We'll see about that. But I think that we're gonna have a time jump because at the end of the season 4, we saw that Tommy was beginning to be a politic, and I think that we are not gonna have the moment when he's gonna discover the politic and all of what is happening in this world, you know. I think we're gonna begin with him being a politician already, using it for his business. I think, yes, that the season is gonna begin with that. I'm stressed. I'm glad that you are here to watch the trailer with me because this is a 1 minute trailer. I didn't understand it. I didn't watch it really. Yes, this is a 1 minute trailer. We're gonna have only picture, not a full scene, not a full moment, not really. We're gonna have little moments or little pictures, enough to be excited but also enough to be really worried about all of them. Okay, I'm clicking on the trailer of the BBC. Whoa. No! I'm not ready. Whoa. No. I said full screen. Okay. Oh, just this picture. Someone is on a cross. And someone is just right there. That's a flashback? See? I didn't begin this trailer and I'm already like that. I think I'm gonna watch it one time, maybe without speaking and just watching it, and I'm gonna see it another time with breaks. Tommy, okay, that was a flashback or a nightmare.
Another breaking alarm is. We all were hopes. Who's gonna handle us now, eh? Mr. Shelby, you've come to my attention.
No one is going to hang you, Tommy. You're going to hang yourself.
We all try and get away. But we never do.
Polly!
Sometimes, death is a kindness.
No! It's not enough! Is it another trailer? I love this woman with my heart.
No.
Yeah! Grace with... Oh, stop with Grace! She was not a woman like Polly or Ada or... You can't compare Grace with all of those wonderful women. Okay, that was not another trailer, but that was great. You have to watch it if you just watched the trailer. That recap of what the Shelby's woman can do is really great. Even if they put Grace on it, I don't know why. You know me, I don't like her really. I didn't like her. She was so annoying. My reactions about her during the season 2, I think that was... Even me, I lost during the editing of those moments because really I didn't like her at all. Okay, I'm gonna rewatch the trailer and I'm gonna make breaks. I'm not sure I'm gonna put all of them during the editing, but I'm gonna watch it like that. Is this... I think it's a nightmare. It's not happening in our days. I mean in their days. I'm not... Or maybe not. Maybe it's in their days. Where is Finn? Where is my baby Finn? We didn't see Finn during this trailer. Okay, Michael is there with a woman, his girlfriend, his wife, someone. But he's leaving, he's not acting like he's a part of the family. You're having nightmare, I think. He's with his little girl, so we're gonna have a big time jump because maybe she's around 2, 3, 4 years old, so we're gonna have a big time jump. So he's already a politician, okay? I have a doubt now. This is his girl. He's like seeing someone who is dead, you know, like a grave. Maybe I'm going too far.
You're gonna hang yourself.
No, I don't want them to fight. I love them working together as a team, Ada and Tommy. Who is this? Is this Arthur or Finn? Polly? You have a boyfriend? You have someone? Yes? What? You have someone dead in your arms? Who is dead? Not Finn. Don't touch Finn. But it seems like it's someone young. I really hope that this is not Charlie, that this is not his son. Please, it's someone young. It's not Finn. It's someone young. It's Charlie? Is this a nightmare or is it really in their days? I'm not sure. No, I think it's really happening. Arthur, okay, you're angry, you're doing an explosion. Okay, people are really mad at Mosley as long as it's not Shelby. An explosion just in front of your house, nice. Okay, my main concern with this trailer is about Tommy's boy, you know, his son, Charlie. We saw that he has someone dead in his arms, and we saw that he was looking at someone dead in a grave. So someone is dead, really. I'm really worried because I didn't see Finn during this trailer, but it seems like the person who was dead in Tommy's arm was young. So I'm thinking maybe more about Charlie than about Finn. I'm really worried about that. Please tell me what you saw in this trailer if you are thinking that this is Charlie or this is Finn. I don't want any of those two to die, but I'm sorry if I really have to choose. I'm choosing Finn at 100%. Always, I'm choosing Finn to live, to... You know me, you saw me. If you don't see me binge watching this show, you have to watch it because you're gonna understand why I'm so attached to that kid, why No, I'm not gonna cry. It's just a trailer, I'm not gonna cry. I didn't even see him dying. Yes, for me this is a younger person in Tommy's arms. Twitter is a good response. Peaky Blinders, Season 5, Death, potential death, okay. I don't care about the politician Mosley, I don't care about all of that, I care about the potential death. A body next to an exploded car, yes, I've got that, but who is dead? I don't care, I want people who are telling their theories about this death. Are you serious? They are just talking about the release date and not about that dying person. Are you serious? People are really not talking about that? People are really not talking about that person who is dead on the trailer. They are just talking about the release date. Please, you have to worry with me about that person. I can't be the only one who is wondering who is dead right there. I don't want to be just alone and no one is gonna confirm me that it's maybe Charlie or it's not Finn. I don't want this person to be Charlie or Finn, but if I have to choose, I'm choosing Charlie. I'm sorry, but Finn has to live. Okay? He has to survive all of that. Please tell me on the comments, what are your theories? I need that. Really, I need that. This is the first time that I'm saying that to you. Please comment. I need your comment. I need to know. I can't think about anything else that happened during this trailer. Okay, he's a politician. Mosley is a villain in this season, is a politician also. Someone is trying to kill Tommy because we had 2 explosions where Tommy was the target, the car explosion where someone is dead, and also the explosion just in front of his home. So it's gonna be dangerous for him. But why? Because of who is he? Because of his enemies? Or because of what he wants to do as a politician? You know, we don't know the reasons. And Ada is gonna be against Tommy? I don't like that. I cannot wait to see this season 5. I'm not worried about the release date because I know that we're gonna have it until the end of this year. It's already great, and maybe we're gonna have it until September? I don't know. I really don't know, and for me the trailer is enough to keeping me excited about this season 5. I hope that you enjoyed that trailer and my reaction about that trailer. Please give me your opinion about this person who is dead. I really need that. Help me with that. I will really thank you if you are in my side. If you are not in my side and if you are telling me that this is Finn, I'm not gonna be happy about it. Because you know, I'm not reading anything about the shows that I'm watching, any spoilers, you know. I don't want to have big spoilers about a season because I'm reading news about that, because of all of that. For the shows that I'm watching, I'm just watching the trailer of each season, but I'm not watching trailers for each episode. I'm not reading anything about it because I love to be surprised by the shows that I'm watching, so I'm really careful with that. So maybe I didn't read something important about that, something that can help to understand who is dead right there, but we'll see about that. If you want, you can subscribe if you want to watch the season 5 with me, and if you already subscribed, thank you, and I hope that you enjoyed that reaction video about the trailer with me. I'll be back with reaction videos about the usual shows that I'm watching right now, and I will be back also for the season 5. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now, bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.